If you want to see how I steam my cabbage Jamaican style, please stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and thanks in advance for watching. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be making some steamed cabbage and let's get started. This is my cabbage. I already cut it up and wash. And when you're steaming your cabbage, you want to make sure you get majority of the water out of it. You're not going to get everything out. So this is my pot that I've been preheated ahead of time. And here I'll be going in with some onions, thyme, garlic, and some green onions. So I'm going to allow this to stir fry a bit, fry up nicely into the oil. And then I'm going to go in with my cabbage. I also have some bell peppers, but I'm not going to put my bell peppers as yet because I love when my vegetables are al dente. So now that my onions and my seasonings are all sauteed, I'm going in with my cabbage, just like this. And when you're doing your cabbage, you want to make sure that the stove is on high heat because cabbage springs a lot of water, and especially when you wash it. And then you want to bring up, start from the bottom up. Now I add my spice on top, and the spice that I use is the Maggi all-purpose season up. That's my favorite season, guys. You can use whatever season and spice that you love on your vegetables. And now I'm also going to go in with some mixed vegetables. It's frozen. And I love, when I'm making vegetables, I love to use a lot of other varieties of vegetables because I love vegetables. And I love when my vegetables are al dente, like I said, not too mushy and not underdone, but crunch. Now, as you can see here, this is when I'll be going in with my bell peppers. More colors. More colors, guys. Look at that. Beautiful, delicious, tasty, and lovely. And I'll be stirring this up all together, and I'm going to show you my end result. This is steamed cabbage, Jamaican style. And this can be for breakfast, and I can eat this with dumpling or whatever you want to eat it with. But I'll be right back. So there you have it, guys. This is my end result. This is my steamed cabbage. All that beautiful color, all that goodness, all that aroma. Lovely and nice. Guys, I want you to try this. And